Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix microphone in Windows 11. I'll try my best to help you. I can't guarantee you, disclaimer, that this will work, but I'll try my best to help you, okay? So now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that I always recommend is to make sure you have a switch on your microphone. Probably I have. And make sure it's turned on, and also make sure everything is plugged in. And if you're aware of this and everything is set up the way it should be and it's plugged in and everything is fine, what you have to do is to go to settings, and here go to privacy and security. And now scroll down, and where you see microphone, make sure this is turned on, okay? This happened to me so many times. If you turn the microphone X turned off, this won't work. Alright, and maybe there's also some apps here that need you have to make sure you turn this on as well for some apps. And now let's move to the next method. And here what you have to do is to go to your microphone, go to sound, and here recordings. This is the microphone I'm using, and I have to click on the microphone. But before going to properties, make sure it's set default, okay? Click on set default. And then here in general, in the listen, make sure this is not the levels. Here in levels, make sure he is turned up, is not down to 0, the percentage, okay? That's very important, obviously. And also make sure the quality is turned all the way up, okay? And also you can also go to troubleshoot settings and go to other troubleshooters, and where you see recording, you can run the troubleshooter. And also make sure here you have set the right microphone. Sometimes when you play with your device, right, maybe you have a headset, a Bluetooth. That's what happened to me, and I'll also have to make sure I have the right headphones and the right microphone set. Alright, that's super important. And also make sure, guys, here you choose where you play. Make sure you set the right one. I can also hear myself using Samsung Q2U, or I can hear from here. You can set the microphone from here. You can set like what you hear. You can, when you play, when you hear sound coming from your computer, and here is the microphone, the input, the output, the input. Make sure you check here the right microphone, guys. Please do so. And for more options, you can click on here. And also here, make sure you set default. And yeah, also the levels set to 100. And that's pretty much it. Please let me know, guys, in the comment section if this helps you. I'd like to read your feedback. If this video didn't help a lot of people, I'll look for different solution. Okay, I'll look for different solutions for this problem, and I'll create a part 2. But if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like. This video will help a lot this small YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions for the next Windows 11 tutorial, leave your suggestion in the comment section. Alright, thank you for watching and take care.